Where's that Keenie? Huh? We have to show her the new toy. This is her new toy. This one. Let's go find it. Keenie won't answer me. Come on. No, Keenie's this way. Come on, let's go. Come on. Keenie? What are you doing there, Keenie? Keenie's all by herself, huh? Keenie, I bought something for you. Hey, Keenie. Keenie, look. Keenie. What do you think? Should I throw it? Wait, let Keenie try it. Keenie. What? Just for you, Keenie. Got a bag of them. They're actually for playing golf. What's she doing? Good boy, Puka. A good boy. Go play with the pussycat. You go play with that pussycat. Yeah. Go get that pussycat. Go get him. Go get the pussycat. Yeah. Look at that pussycat. You have to go and get him. Yeah. Go. Go get that pussycat. Go get him. Yeah, you go get that pussycat. Yes. Go get her. She wants to play with you. Yeah, she wants to play with you, Puka. Where did she go? Where did she go, Puk Puk? Oh, Pookie. Puk 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 Puk. Where did you go, Pookie? Where? Huh? Go get the pussycat. Keenie. I see you, Keenie. Ooh, Keenie, Keenie, Kai, Kai. You can't get Keenie over there. No. Oh boy. Where are you going, Keenie? Uh-oh. Keenie, go away. No more Keenie. No. And no more Gertie. Yeah, Gertie went for a run. Yeah, she did. Where's Keenie? Keenie, where are you going? Good for you, Keenie. Does that mean I can get rid of the litter box? I guess we'll figure it out, huh, Pookie?